Cookbook. I'm Soumya. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year in advance. I hope you guys would have already decorated your Christmas trees very nicely. And today I'm going to show you how I decorated my Christmas tree. But I'm not talking about the Christmas tree that's behind me. I'm talking about this Christmas tree cake. Sounds very interesting, right? This is a very nice Christmas tree cake made with two flavors of sponge cake. One is chocolate sponge and another is red vanilla sponge. They are nicely layered together with whipping cream in between. It's very easy to make if you just follow the simple tips that I'm going to tell you during this video. So you can try this recipe with your kids and you can let them decorate this cake and they're going to have fun with it. So let's see how to make it.
For this recipe, first we need to make two flavors of sponge cake ready. Here I have taken one chocolate sponge cake and another is red vanilla sponge cake. Both are of 13 by 9 inch size. You can check out my channel for the recipe of these sponge cakes and I have given the link for that video in the description box below. Now we need to cut this cake into different sizes of circle shapes, and for that I have cut these sizes on a paper like this. So we are going to use these alternate colors. So first I am taking the biggest one, which is 6 inch. I'll place it here with the chocolate one. The next one is 5 inch. I'll place it on the red so that we know exactly how much place we have. 4.5 inch. Place it on the chocolate one. Next is 3.75 inch. It goes here. 3.25 inch. Just here. 2.75 inch. It goes there. 2.25 inch can be here. 1.5 inch goes there. This is 0.8 inch. So now we are going to cut all these circles and then we are going to layer them. So just start with the biggest one here. Just cut it around the sharp knife like this. Now gently we can lift it from below. Here we have got our first one, which is 6 inch cake. Nice and soft chocolate sponge. Let's keep it aside. Similarly, I'm going to cut all the rest of these. Here is the tip that we are going to use. This is our red color sponge. It's come out very nice and soft, as you can see. Keep it aside. Okay, here is our last one. If any of the layers are not even at this point, you can use a cake cutter like this and you can level it. I've taken a 10 inch cake board and take any small cup like this you have. So I'm going to place it in the middle like this. So this is going to be like a stem for the Christmas tree. So I'm going to glue it now on this. And then place it in the middle gently and then press it. Wipe off the excess glue. So friends, this bowl is nicely stuck to this board now. So I'm going to cover this bowl with some chocolate icing so that it will look like the stem of the Christmas tree. So for that, here I have taken this star-shaped icing tip. I'm going to use some chocolate icing. This is a store-bought one. I'm going to use this. Start from here. Cover any gaps that you see. It should be nice and random so it gives the natural look of the stem. Let's keep it aside in the fridge for some time. In the meantime, we'll see the next step. So friends, first here I have taken a 6 inch board. Let's start stacking our cake. Here I have got our 6 inch chocolate cake, red cake on top of this. Nicely arrange it. We can adjust the shape at the end. Keep stacking one on top of the other. It's coming very nicely. That looks perfect. We just need to trim the edges a little bit, which we can do now. So start trimming a little bit around the edges to make it like a slant shape. Take only little by little at a time, so you will not lose too much. That shape looks fine now. Now let's gently try to remove this 6 inch board from underneath this cake stack. And here I have taken this stem part out of the fridge now. So now we need to put little bit of glue on top of this box here, and we need to place this 6 inch board on top of this and ensure that it nicely gets stuck to it. And this is how it looks once it is nice and dry. Now let's start making our whipping cream. Now
I am adding 284 ml of this heavy whipping cream. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now start whisking this. Whisk it at a low speed for 2-3 minutes in the beginning. After whipping for 3 minutes, add 2.5 tablespoons of icing sugar. Give it a quick mix. Now whisk it again at a high speed until stiff peaks form. It has nice stiff peaks formed now like this. As you can see, it is nice and hard. This is the consistency that we need. So to check it, what we can do is, if you flip this bowl, it should not fall down. So that means it's the right consistency. Now let's start the icing. This board is nicely set now and the trunk is nicely visible. Now let's start the icing. So first, let's put some whipping cream on here. Ready? This will make sure that the cake will not fall down. Now place the cake on the top of this. Add some more whipping cream. Spread it. Now place the next layer. The cake has come out in a nice shape now. I'm going to apply this chocolate icing on this. Nicely smoothen it out all over. Be careful with the tip. It's nice and smooth now. It's in a nice shape, as you can see. Now let's start decorating it. Here I made some more whipping cream. I'm going to add some green food color into this. Mix it well. This is the perfect color that we need for the Christmas tree. So let's start icing this. So now I'm going to add this green color fresh cream into a piping bag, and I'm using this star shaped piping tip for this. Start from here. Start making branches like this. Now I'm going to apply some plain whipped cream on this. So it looks like snow. So just take some and then apply it randomly. It doesn't have to be any particular shape. Just keep applying like this. So it looks like snow. Then make it randomly like this. Here I've got some white chocolate. I'm going to melt it in the microwave for about 30 seconds or until it melts. And then we are going to make a star out of this. The chocolate is nicely melted now. Here I've got a tracing paper on which I drew a star shape. Now I'm going to put this white chocolate into this by following the edges. Just gently put it into the shape. Now level it nicely a little bit and place this toothpick in the middle. Pour some more chocolate mixture on the top. It has come out very well. Let's cool this down. So friends, this star is nice and hard now. Let's open it. It's nicely done on both sides. Now I'm going to use this golden edible spray on this. Now let's keep this star in the refrigerator for it to dry again. So friends, here is our Christmas tree cake. It's nice and beautifully ready like this with nice icing all around. And I especially love this chocolate trunk. So beautiful, isn't it? So now let's start decorating it. For that, first I'm going to use some desiccated coconut powder. This I'm going to sprinkle on top of this Christmas tree cake so that it will look nicely like snow. So let me gently put it on the top. That looks beautiful. You like it, Yashu? Are you enjoying making this Christmas tree cake?
Yeah, it looks like the real Christmas tree.
Oh yeah, it's really nice. Okay, so we can have a little extra desiccated coconut on the top for the snow, and below we can have a little bit lighter, just here and there.
Looks really nice and yummy. I wonder what Santa will think if he was here.
Yeah, he's gonna get nice present for us.
I wonder what present it will be.
So, guys, how is it? It's looking nice, right? Maybe I need a little more of ice there. I mean snow. So, let me not overdo it. That's good enough.
More snow would make it look a bit like a mountain.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yes, it's looking nice now. We can actually sprinkle a little bit of this coconut powder on this icing as well, so that it looks nicely like a
Snow texture.
snow texture. Yeah, this idea is given by Yeshi. Right, ma? Yeah, it's a nice idea. I love doing it with my child because he gives me lots of ideas like this. In fact, making this Christmas tree cake is also his idea. So, thank you, Yeshi.
Welcome.
Okay, so this is done. Now, I've got some nice sprinklers here like this. This is nice gold and silver color baubles and some star shapes as well. And here are some more colorful ones. And I've got some more different shapes here as well.
Some of them are tiny.
Yeah. So we're going to decorate the Christmas tree with all of these. I'm going to take a small tweezer like this to hold these decorations. Maybe better to do it with hand. Yeah, that's much better actually. Okay, so alright, just randomly place these. That's nice. You want to do some? Do you want to decorate it?
Okay.
I told you to decorate, not to eat, okay?
It's yummy.
Yeah, that's all right.
Make sure to spread out your decorations as if they're all crammed into one place. Your Christmas tree cake won't look that nice.
Oh yeah, that's a good suggestion.
Yes.
Wait.
The baker's tip.
Oh, junior baker, junior master chef, is it?
Yes. And as in tip, I don't mean like the tip of your tongue. Don't use that to lick the icing of the cake, by the way.
Yeah, all right. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to
Ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey. I don't feel like cutting this Christmas cake. It's so beautiful that you feel like keeping it.
Looks like a model.
Yeah. So friends, see how nicely it is looking? It has all the baubles, stars and everything nicely decorated all around. So to make it even more beautiful, I've got some more decorations here. And the most important thing for a Christmas tree is?
The star.
Yes. Here is our chocolate star with the golden spray on it. I'm gonna place it gently on top of this.
Very carefully.
Push it in gently. There. It's looking perfect. Now, here I've got some more decorations here that we can use. A reindeer, our Santa, a Merry Christmas topper, and another one. So let's decorate them nicely here. I just put some extra icing so that the decorations will stand nicely. And we can place this Merry Christmas here.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yay! And here is our reindeer. I'm going to place him nicely there.
I don't think this is Rudolph. Rudolph has a red nose, not a gold nose.
Yeah. And the final decoration is our Santa. Here
You
comes
got us a
Santa.
star,
Yes.
which we actually made, right?
Yes. So friends, see how nice and lovely this Christmas tree cake is? You won't be able to make out whether it is really a cake or a real Christmas tree.
Or a sculpture.
It's looking so beautiful, isn't it?
The texture is really nice. The snow, the trunk of the tree, and the tree itself.
So let's cut it and see. Let me cut from here. Oh dear. I'm just going to take one big piece out of this and show you how it is in the middle. And are you ready?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's so beautiful. So friends, I hope you guys have enjoyed my video of making this Christmas tree cake, and this cake has come out really nicely with all these layers nicely visible like this. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section, and also please like and follow my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notifications whenever I post new recipes. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.